Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 10 June 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 1 and name of the chapter is Our Body. So, student, when you are watching the video, please take one rough copy and pen or pencil with you so that you can note down the important points from the board. Let's do little recapitulation. In previous video, I am explaining you about nervous system of human body. So we are discussing nervous system. So, for better understanding of any system, first thing is that you must understand what are the parts of the system. So, when we are talking about nervous system, so brain, spinal cord, and nerves. These are the parts of a nervous system. Okay, so when we are talking about the nervous system, student, so what are the parts of the nervous system? That is the brain, spinal cord and nerves. Is it clear? Now see student, brain is the controlling organ of the body. ठीक है, all the action which are performed by the different organs, all the action which are performed by the different organs, that action are controlled by the brain. Is it clear? That actions are controlled by the brain, and even it store the information. Brain store the information in the form of a memory. Brain store the information in the form of a memory, and any action which is performed by our body, that is due to brain, because brain is the controlling organ of our body. Whether we are thinking or whether we are playing, reading, we do study, we are jumping, playing some game, so all the actions for that is controlled by the brain. That is the reason brain is known as the controlling organ of the body. Okay, now when we are talking about brain, so what type of part is brain? Brain is a delicate organ. Brain is a delicate organ. It means the brain is a very soft organ. Okay, so see, our body is made of framework of bone. Our body is made up of framework of bone, and this is known as a skeleton. Okay, this is known as skeleton, and there are many internal organs in our body that are delicate, so they need protection. So our skeleton system, which is made of a bone, it protect the delicate organs of the body. For example, brain is a very soft organ, so our brain is protected by the skull. So our brain, delicate organ, you can say soft organ. So brain is protected by skull. Brain is protected by skull. Okay. After that, second part, that is spinal cord. So spinal cord is also a spinal cord is also a delicate organ. Spinal cord is also a delicate organ. So where our vertebral column, the bone of our vertical column protect the spinal cord, or you can also say there this is this bone of your body which is known as backbone. इसे हिंदी में हम लोग रीढ़ की हड्डी बोलते हैं. ठीक है. So your spinal cord is protected by the backbone of our body, or you can say also vertebral column, that is also right. Delicate organ protected by backbone, protected by backbone of the body. And when we are talking about the nerves, so there is a network of nerves. There is a network of nerves in the body. When we are talking about the nerves, so there is a network of nerves in the body. These nerves connected to the brain and to the spinal cord, because as we know that brain is the controlling organ of the body. So all the messages are sent to the brain through the nerves, and these nerves are connected to the brain and spinal cord. These nerves are connected to the brain and spinal cord. Is it clear? For example, when I am explaining you about the circulatory system, so what are the blood vessels in that? The blood vessels are artery, vein and capillaries. So if any part of the body is hurt, बॉडी के किसी भी पार्ट में, एनी पार्ट ऑफ अवर बॉडी, इफ देयर इज अ कट इन एनी पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी, then what's happen? Blood start coming out from that portion or from that part. तो बॉडी के किसी भी पार्ट में अगर कट लग जाता है तो ब्लड आने लगता है. सो व्हाट डज इट मीन? इट मीन्स these blood vessels are present in all part of the body. These blood vessels are present in all parts of the body because blood is circulate to the whole body. ऐसा नहीं है half of the portion में blood circulate कर रहा है and then it return by the vein to the heart. ऐसा नहीं है. to blood circulation जो पंप होता है blood कहाँ से? heart से. तो it pump to all parts of the body, क्योंकि बॉडी के सारे पार्ट्स को एनर्जी चाहिए टू डू देयर फंक्शन. इज इट क्लियर? इन द सेम मैनर दीज नर्व, द नेटवर्क ऑफ नर्व्स इन द बॉडी, ठीक है, देयर इज ए नेटवर्क ऑफ नर्व्स इन ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी, पूरे बॉडी के पार्ट्स में किसका नेटवर्क है? नर्व्स. एंड दीज नर्व्स आर कनेक्टेड टू द ब्रेन एंड स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. These nerves are connected to the brain and spinal cord. For example, this is skull and this is a brain. Okay, for example, this is a skull and this is the brain, which is protected by the skull. And what is this? This is spinal cord. This is spinal cord. So this above portion is known as head. Okay, so skull is present here, and we know that all the action which are taken by the brain, we know that all the actions are taken by the brain only. Now when we are talking about, so this brain is protected by skull, and this spinal cord, this is protected by a, this is protected by a, this spinal cord, this is protected by a vertebral column, or you can say a backbone. Is it clear? This is protected by the backbone. Okay, and what are these? These are nerves. These are nerves which are connected to the spinal cord. And for example, this is a brain, so this is also nerves which are connected to the brain. Is it clear? No. Now student, the question arises, see, brain, it is in the head portion, above portion, that is, and it is protected by the skull. Now see your sense organs. When you are talking about your sense organ, for example, eyes, ears, nose, skin, tongue. Okay, so all these sense organ like eyes, ear, nose, skin, tongue, they are present in this portion, and they all are connected to the brain, connected to brain through nerves. Because I have already explained you, there is a network of nerves in all parts of the body. There is a network of nerves in all part of the body. Now see, all ear, eyes, ear. For example, if some picture is shown to you, so I will, how you see that picture? With the help of your eyes, and through the nerves, the message is sent to the brain, and then brain reply, this picture is, what is this picture, मतलब ये picture क्या है, ये reply कौन करेगा? Brain. If someone show you any picture and ask you, tell me this picture is about what, so the sense organ eye, it see the picture of that object, and then message is sent through the nerves to the brain, and then brain don't send message to the eye, because we don't speak with our eyes, we can see the things are visible with the eyes. So message is sent to the mouth, because we speak with our mouth, so you will speak. So in this manner whole function goes on. For example, if for example ear will listen, hearing किससे करते हैं, ear से. तो ear will listen the sound, and then that sound in the form of a message through nerves, it is sent to the brain. Then the brain will tell this is the sound of which animal or which object, anything. So it means all the action, but the brain actions are so fast that all the actions are taken by the brain. Now see, when we are talking about the spinal cord is also a part of a brain. Why? And it is protected by the backbone, or you can say vertebral columns bone. So why the spinal, there is a need of a spinal cord? Because all brain is inside the skull, so many other parts are also in our body. Okay, our hand, our legs. So what happened, all these are connected through the, because here eyes, it is present in the head, eyes, tongue, ears, nose. Is it clear? So they are directly connected with the brain through the nerves. ये brain से directly connected है through the nerves. But there are other organs of the body. So how they are connected to the brain? So they are connected through the spinal cord. Is it clear? So they are connected through the spinal cord. For example, there is a very good example given in your book also. If your hand touch with a hot object, then immediately you remove your hand. So here what happened, when you touch that hot object, so the nerves which are connected to the spinal cord, this time what's happened, the nerves which are connected to the spinal cord, they send a message to spinal cord, and spinal cord send a message to the brain, and then brain reply to through spinal cord to that organ that remove your hand, because that object is hot. So here the nerves which are connected to the spinal cord, they send a message to the spinal cord, and spinal cord is connected to the brain, and then message is sent to the brain, and then brain send message to this spinal cord, and through the nerves that they pass message to that organ that remove your hand, because the object is very hot. Is it clear? So in this manner, smooth functioning of the brain in our human body. Is it clear? I hope up to this all things are clear. Now the next thing is that 3 more things are given in your book. Now now see student, अकॉर्डिंग टू द फंक्शन, जैसे मैंने हार्ट पढ़ाते समय आपको बोला था, all of them are blood vessel, but according to their function they have different name. For example, one blood vessel name is artery because it carry oxygen rich blood. When another function, another name of the blood vessel is vein because it carry carbon dioxide mixed blood. Is it clear? Back to the heart, and from the heart it is again sent to the lungs, and from where when we breathe out carbon dioxide is out, and when we breathe in then again we take oxygen, and that oxygen get in the blood vessels and through the from blood vessels present in the lungs, and from there it come to the heart, and that blood is rich in oxygen, and then again it is pumped to all parts of the body with the help of a arteries, with the help of a arteries. Is it clear? In the same manner, now due to their different function there is a difference in their names: sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves. Okay, so the nerves which carry messages from the sense organs. Sensory nerves means nerves which carry messages through the sense organs, through the sense organs. ठीक है, nerve which carry messages through the sense organ. And what are the sense organs? You know that eyes, ears, tongue, skin, and nose. So what is the function of sensory nerves? The nerves which carry message through the sense organ. Nerves which carry messages through the sense organ. For example, I have already give this example. If you see the picture, then that picture is sent to the brain. So which nerve do this? That is known as sensory nerves. Means they are carrying message through the sense organ. Ears, when you listen to any sound, so then again the message is sent to the brain, and the brain tell this is a sound of what sound is it. Okay, in the same manner when you eat any food, you know that there are different taste buds present in our tongue. So whenever you eat any food, then again the message is sent through the sensory nerves to the brain, and then the brain tell whether the thing is sweet, salty, sour, or bitter. So that is the function of a sensory nerves. I hope you all are able to understand. These are those nerves which carry messages from the sense organs to the brain. Nerves which carry messages through the sense organs to the brain. ठीक है, nerves which carry messages through the sense organs to the brain, that are known as sensory nerves. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now next is motor nerves. Now what happens student here? Motor nerves, now when these sense organs, try to understand, when these sense organs like eyes, ear, tongue, skin or nose, through the nerve they send a message to the brain. Now brain will tell what have to do. So these motor nerves carry message from brain to the organ. अब ऑर्गन में कुछ भी हो सकता है. इज इट क्लियर? हो सकता है सामने से बस आ रही हो तो आइज ने देखा अरे बस तेजी से आ रही है तो ब्रेन तुरंत मैसेज किसको देगा? लेग को देगा, क्योंकि मूवमेंट लेग से ही होती है. मूव हो जाओ, हट जाओ, बस आ रही है. तो ठीक है. अब मैसेज सेंस ऑर्गन से जब जाता है ब्रेन में, तो व्हेन ब्रेन रिप्लाई मैसेज और व्हेन ब्रेन गिव सिग्नल, सो दिस इज सेंड बाय ए मोटर नर्व्स. दिस इज सेंड बाय ए मोटर नर्व्स. मोटर नर्व्स कैरी मैसेज फ्रॉम ब्रेन टू द ऑर्गन. अब जिस भी ऑर्गन की भाई जरूरत होगी उस ऑर्गन को वो मैसेज सेंड कर देगा. दैट इज द रोल ऑफ ए मोटर नर्व्स. I hope you are able to understand. And one more is left, that is the mixed nerves. So mixed nerve do both the function what is done by sensory nerves and motor nerves. That is the reason the name, as a name you understand, mix मतलब दो तीन चीजों को आपस में मिला देते हैं, उसी को मिक्स्ड बोलते हैं ना. तो as a name mixed nerves do the function of sensory nerves also and motor nerves also. That is known as mixed nerves. If you want to write, you can write now what is the function of a mixed nerve. Mixed nerves, okay. Mixed nerves are the nerves that perform both the action of sensory nerves as well as motor nerves. So that is your mixed nerve. Sensory nerves, motor nerve, mixed nerve. So what is a mixed nerve? Mixed nerves are the nerves that perform both the action. वो सेंसरी नर्व्स के भी एक्शन को परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं और मोटर नर्व्स के भी एक्शन को परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. दैट इज द रीजन द नेम इज मिक्स्ड नर्व्स. आर द नर्व्स दैट परफॉर्म बोथ द एक्शन ऑफ sensory nerves as well as motor nerves. Is it clear? So I hope you all are able to understand what is nervous system, and the part of nervous system are brain, spinal cord and nerves. Okay, thank you student.